So I'm part of the Injustice Learning Collaborative, and we're dedicated to disrupting and dismantling like white supremacy. There's very few places that I would be able to teach at where you would be connected together as part of any kind of organization where your explicit goal is to disrupt and dismantle white supremacy. That is such an inspiration to me, and it makes me want to continue developing courses that push students to do that work here at Hampshire, but more importantly, push them to do that work when they leave Hampshire. My name's Susana Loza, and I teach critical race, gender, and media studies at Hampshire. So I'll teach about American history in a class like Settler Nation, or I'll teach about fandom in a class like Sample Remix Slash, or I'll teach about monsters in Alien Freak Monster. Last fall, I developed a class called Speculative Visions, from Afrofuturism to Steampunk. I really wanted a class that was more hopeful. There's many of us that have ancestors and cultural histories that have survived multiple apocalypses. There are ways to survive this, and they are through community, and they are through connection, and they are through building and imagining something else. We're in a moment of backlash against critical thinking, against people learning the real, often traumatic histories of the United States. And it is more critical than ever for institutions to push back against that. I don't think you can address the current racial backlash by softening language. I think you have to address it by using the truth and saying what is actually occurring to work towards a future in which those kinds of knowledges are not being outlawed and subjugated.